Hey YouTube, Cube Gaming here. Sorry about the first video. I wasn't clear on the explaining and you couldn't see very clearly. But today I'm here to show you another beginning trick. It's called a double roll. So here's what it looks like. And here's the slow motion. The double rollout is relatively similar to the simple opening. You start by holding the safe handle, it's usually the handle without the latch, which is this small thing on the back, on the end of the right handle. So you hold the safe handle, you flip the right handle over your knuckles, but instead of closing your grip on the safe handle and flipping it back, you rotate your grip and you flip the spine of the blade over your knuckles. In the last step, you open your grip on the safe handle and you flip it out. The closing is the same. You start by holding the safe handle again. You flip the spine of the blade over your knuckles, rotate grip, flip the right handle over your knuckles, and open your grip, close it. So again, you flip the right handle over your knuckles, rotate, same thing, open your grip, now. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful and hope you like it. See you on my next video.